Whoa, what up? What's happening? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today you see the box. Got the black box. You got the Jordan and the Jumpman on the top. See the gray bottom. Nike Air on this side. Plain on the longer side. Nike Air again. So looking at the tag, what we have is the Air Jordan 8 Retro Tinker. The colorway is black, light Concord, aloe verde, University red. Hopefully I said that right. Now these released December 22nd for 190 bucks. Let's get into it. Now, it comes wrapped in the black paper, but enough of that, man. Let's get into the kicks. Here it is, the Air Jordan 8 Tinker. Now me, honestly, I'm not a fan of Air Jordan 8s. Never have been. It'll have to be something real special for me to like an 8. But that's neither here nor there, man. Doesn't really matter. Now looking at this shoe, man, the black on this shoe is that faded, ashy, has a green tone to it to me. You know, I'm not really feeling it, man, you know, but to each his own. I got to bring y'all the content anyway. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, I think they put a lot into the shoe, you know, but like I say, I'm not a fan of the Air Jordan 8. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. Under the bottom, you see you got the multicolor pattern with that like a royal purple Jumpman. There's a look from the side. You see the confetti in the back. There's a look from the front. Top of the toe box. You see it's real ashy. I've never been a fan of that. See the straps, 23 on it. You see the Jumpman on the tongue with like that carpet effect. Medial side. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, man. There's from the back. See how those two straps wrap around. You got your pull tab. You got some writing on it. It says live together. So, I mean, hey, if you're a fan of 8s, man, this might be something that you might be interested in. Now, looking at the other shoe, everything's identical. It's no difference. Now, on the inside of the straps, you just have the black leather, no writing or anything. I expected to have some writing, but hey, what can you say, man? There's another look at the tongue. So you got the red, the green, and the gold. I mean, hey, it's nice, man. I mean, but like I say, I'm not a fan of an 8, so you gotta take that as you may. There's another look at the medial side, front, top. You can see the ashiness again. Like I said, man, when y'all get y'all pairs, man, and you get a look at them, you'll be able to see like a green hue in that suede, you know what I'm saying? So on the inside, you got the black insole with that royal purple Jumpman. I mean, it is what it is, man. You know, so like I say, man, these released December the 22nd for 190 bucks. If you're in the market for these, man, go ahead and get your chips together. Cop your pair, man. Remember to cop what you like, though. Don't worry about the hype, man. You know what I'm saying? So here's another view. Like to put it under those lights. Let you get another look at it. I mean, it's not nothing that I'm gonna pick up and pass. I'd rather get the 12s, the winterized 12s before I get these. And before I get the 12s, I'm going with the blackout 33s, man. I'm gonna do a review on that later today too, man. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna look at the Air Jordan 8 Tinker, which drew inspiration from the old school Air Raid. You know, so I mean, it is what it is, man. There's a better look at that leather. Got like a mesh or whatever material that is on the side. I think it's a well put together shoe, man. You know, it's just not for me. You know what I'm saying? So, like I say, man, that was my look at the Air Jordan 8 Tinker or Air Raid, whatever you choose to call it. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazaire504. Subscribe to this channel. Turn your notifications on. And I'ma holla back.